What's up everybody, it's Abdur back with you, and welcome back to Let's Review New. Trust me, after hearing about this phone, you'll be just as excited as I am to dive into its rumored features. We're talking about a potential game changer, a phone that could rewrite the rules. Today, we're exploring the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 4, a smartphone that on paper seems like it could set new standards in the market. Stick around till the end for my take on who this phone might be ideal for. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk design. First impressions, this thing feels solid. Xiaomi isn't messing around with flimsy builds here. You've got Gorilla Glass Victus protecting that gorgeous display on the front, so you know it can take a beating. The frame, durable plastic, but don't let that fool you, it feels premium. And for those accidental drops, we've all been there, it boasts an IP64 rating. That means dust and splashes are no match for the Redmi Turbo 4. They're really putting an emphasis on making this phone a reliable daily driver. But here's the real question. How do you feel about this design? Could this handle your busy lifestyle? Let me know in the comments. Now let's talk about the screen because this is where things get really interesting. We're looking at a 6.67-inch AMOLED display. Yeah, you heard that right, 6.67 inches of pure visual goodness. And it's not just about the size, it's the quality. We're talking HDR10+ support, Dolby Vision, and a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Trust me, once you go 120 Hz, it's hard to go back. Scrolling through social media, browsing the web, it's all incredibly fluid. And gaming, forget about it. The responsiveness is next level. Plus, with that high resolution, every detail just pops. Imagine watching your favorite movies or playing the latest games on this vibrant screen. It's a whole new level of immersion. Okay, time to talk performance, and this is where the Redmi Turbo 4 really flexes its muscles. Under the hood, we've got the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra chipset. This thing is a beast, capable of handling anything you throw at it. And with up to 16 GB of RAM, get ready to kiss lag goodbye. Seriously, multitasking on this phone is a breeze. But Xiaomi didn't stop there. They've also equipped the Redmi Turbo 4 with the latest UFS 4.0 storage. That means apps load lightning fast, files transfer in a snap, and the overall responsiveness of the phone is just phenomenal. And to top it all off, you get Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS layered on top. So, is this the ultimate multitasking machine? Based on these specs, it's definitely a contender. Chapter 4, Camera Excellence, Picture Perfect Moments. Alright, let's talk cameras. The Redmi Turbo 4 packs a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, so you know it's going to capture some seriously sharp and detailed shots. But it's not just about megapixels. Xiaomi has really stepped up their camera game with this phone. The image processing is on point, and the colors are vibrant and accurate. Plus, you get that versatility with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens for those epic landscape shots or group photos. And let's not forget about selfies. The 20-megapixel front camera is no slouch either. It captures stunning selfies with excellent detail and natural skin tones. Now, for all you audiophiles out there, the Redmi Turbo 4 does not disappoint. It comes with stereo speakers that deliver rich, immersive sound. And with high-res audio support, you can enjoy your favorite tunes in all their glory. But here's the thing. There's no headphone jack. I know, it's 2023, but some of us still prefer that wired connection. On the plus side, the Redmi Turbo 4 does come with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 for a rock-solid wireless connection. And it's not just about the audio, this phone is packed with connectivity features. We're talking Wi-Fi 6E for blazing fast internet speeds, NFC for all your contactless payments, and even an infrared port. Let's talk about one of the most important features of any smartphone battery life. The Redmi Turbo 4 packs a massive 6,550 mAh battery. I'm talking 2-day battery life, even with moderate to heavy use. This thing just keeps going and going. And when you do finally need to charge it up, the 90-watt fast charging has got you covered. We're talking from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes. So, how long do you think this battery can last in your hands? Let me know in the comments below. As if all that wasn't enough, Xiaomi has also packed the Redmi Turbo 4 with a bunch of bonus features. For starters, you get an under-display fingerprint sensor that's both fast and reliable. And for all you mobile gamers out there, the Redmi Turbo 4 comes with advanced gaming sensors that provide precise and responsive gaming experience. And if you're someone who needs a ton of storage for all your photos, videos, and files, the Redmi Turbo 4 has got you covered with up to 1 terabyte of storage. That's right, 1 terabyte. So, is the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 4 the game changer we were hoping for? With a stunning display, powerful performance, an impressive camera system, and a battery that just won't quit, it's definitely a contender. And let's not forget about those bonus features like the under-display fingerprint sensor and advanced gaming sensors. Xiaomi has really packed a lot into this phone. But what do you think? What feature stands out the most to you? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Let's Review New for more tech reviews, news and comparisons. Until next time, take care and stay tech savvy.